If, like me, you're annoyed with your PlayStation 5 sticking out like a sore thumb in your home setup, then we've got a solution for you. Now, it's no secret that PlayStation decided to go for some sort of Stormtrooper, X-Fighter vibes with this console. We're going to change that today and give the PlayStation 5 a whole brand new look that will fit into any home. So, let's start by removing the old faceplates. You're going to want to lay it down flat on maybe a soft surface so you make sure you don't scratch the old faceplates here. Grab the corner with the PlayStation logo, then brace the bottom of the console, and you're going to want to lift with your right hand and sort of push down at the same time. So lift and slide. And it will sort of jump off, however, just make sure the console doesn't go flying across the room. Now you're going to want to turn it over, grab the bottom right hand corner this time, and do the same motion again. So lift and then slide down. Now the disc tray side is off as well. So let's install the new faceplates. Now we're going to be fitting the black faceplates here. However, you can also get them in blue and red as well, depending on the style of your setup. Now to install them is pretty simple. Just line them up on the console and push up, and then flip it over and repeat the same on the other side. Now, as you can see, the PlayStation 5 already looks a lot better than it did just moments ago. The PlayStation 5 has a matte black finish and still has the glossy interior. I like this because it still has that contrast that the original had, however it's just a little less in your face this time. What I love about these faceplates is that they're a lot cheaper than the official Sony ones, or even if you go for something like D-brand as well. Personally, I think this console now looks a lot better than it did just 5 minutes ago. I think it will suit any home a lot better, so if you'd like to buy one, visit the links in the description below, and if you've learned something here, maybe subscribe and give us a like as well.